Now we will see activity number 2. It is given on page number 30. There is given a picture of the tallest building of the world. Its name is Burj Khalifa. It is situated in Dubai. Now watch a small video about it. Children, have you enjoyed the video? Now I am reading the passage given about it. So open your textbook and listen attentively. See the picture and study the information. ચિત્ર જુઓ અને માહિતીનો અભ્યાસ કરો. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. It is skyscraper in Dubai. It has 163 floors. Its height is 827.8 meters. Means 2722 feet. It is the tallest man-made structure in the world. Its base is 333,100 square feet. It has the longest water supply line. It has the longest lifts. Its cost of construction was $1.5 billion. It is the most expensive building. Children, I hope you have listened attentively. Now I am giving you time to read this paragraph. Children, have you completed your reading? Okay. Now open the page number 14. There is given some instructions. First I am reading that instruction. You have to listen. Say whether the following sentences are true or false on the basis of the above text. Write T or F in the bracket given against each sentence. વાક્યો ખરા છે કે ખોટા તે નક્કી કરો. દરેક વાક્યની સામે આપેલા કૌંસમાં સાચા માટે T અને ખોટા માટે F લખો. Students, in your textbook there are given 5 sentences. First, I am reading these 5 sentences. You have to listen. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. The first sentence is the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. Second sentence. It is the smallest building in Dubai. It is the smallest building in Dubai. The third sentence. No other building has so long water supply line as the Burj has. Again. No other building has so long water supply line as the Burj has. The fourth one. Its lift system is the longest one in the world. Its lift system is the longest one in the world. Fifth. Its cost was higher than any other building in the world. Its cost was higher than any other building in the world. Balmitro, let's see the first sentence. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. This sentence is true or false? તમારો જવાબ સંભળાઈ ગયો. This sentence is true. So write T in the bracket. ફરીથી અહીંથી થોડોક સમય આપું છું. બાકીના 4 વાક્યો તમે પેરેગ્રાફ વાંચી અને ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ સાચા છે કે ખોટા તે નક્કી કરી તમારી બુકમાં નોંધી લ્યો. ત્યારબાદ આપણે ફરી ચેક કરીએ. બાલમિત્રો, you have completed your task. Let's check. So, the second sentence, it is the smallest building in Dubai. Tell me, it is true or false? તમારો જવાબ સંભળાય છે. ત્યાંથી કોણ બોલી રહ્યું છે? મોનિકા. Yes, the sentence is false. So write F in the bracket. The third sentence is, no other building has so long water supply line as the Burj has. What is the answer? Is it true or false? Yes, I heard your voice. This sentence is true. So write T in the bracket. The fourth sentence, its lift system is the longest one in the world. What is your answer? Yes, the sentence is true. So write T in the bracket. Let's check the sentence number 5. Its cost was higher than any other building in the world. So what is your answer? I heard your voice. The sentence is true. Yes. So write T again in the bracket. બાળમિત્રો, રીડિંગ આધારિત આ 5 વાક્યોની નાનકડી એવી કસોટી આપણે જોઈ ગયા. In activity 2, you have read a passage about the tallest building of the world, which is situated in Dubai. તો ફરી મળીશું. Bye bye.